Hi everybody, I'm back for a quick video. I have a special double unboxing today, and you can see I got some things from Foxy Fix at the beginning of the month. So in early March, Foxy Fix was holding a competition to so whoever got the most recommends on who had recommended them to Foxy Fix, they would get a gift certificate. Well, I was one of the people that won that, and I got a $200 Foxy Fix gift card. And so, of course, I knew exactly what I wanted, and I chose to spend it. So I got myself a couple of little things in here, and then a couple of big things in the box. So all I did was cut the little pouch and pulled the stuff out, and we haven't seen what it is yet. And let me open the box. Ooh, look at that. See if we can see what it says. It says Sugar Lilac. That's that new, very beautiful purple color. But I have a couple of things in here. So there's those, and I think that's everything, other than the invoice at the bottom. There we go. Okay. So let me get the box out of the way and the extra wormies. Okay. So we have two of these pouches, a little pouch like this, a smaller pouch like, ooh, what's this? Oh, this is Sugar Mint. These are the two new sugar colors, and they are very pretty. It's the same line as the Blueberry A5 that I got from the mystery sale. I guess it was a year ago. And, ooh, even the underside is so soft. And this leather wears so well, and you can just like wipe it off with like a baby wipe, and it'll come clean so fast. So there are those. And of course, each package had some Foxy Fix business cards in, so you can keep one in your notebook. When someone asks what you have, you can give them a card. But let's see the first thing that's in the little pouch. We'll go pouch by pouch. I had ordered 2 of the poppy seed. This is the new spice poppy seed samples, and they feel so soft. I'm gonna smell one. And it smells like all my other spices. I think it's the wax that they treat them with. So I got 2 of those. Now, let's see what's in this. I only have one Foxy Fix pen pouch, and so I decided to get one since it was the new leather in the poppy seed. Look how pretty that is. And it has like a matching stitching. And let me grab a pen. I just moved into this the other day, earlier this week. Actually, those two look really beautiful together. This is a chic sparrow in the mockingbird leather, which looks exactly like the Stella leather. Ooh, that is gonna be so pretty. Okay, so there's the pen sleeve. Now, here, let me set these over here to make them look all pretty. So you can see I have 2 pouches, and they're the same size. Let's start with this one. Open it up. Dun 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 dun. Do we see a theme here? This is so beautiful. This is the same leather as these 2 samples and the pouch. This is the newest of the spice leathers. It is the poppy seed. And I got it in the compact number 4 size. That is gorgeous. Look how pretty that leather is. And like the others, it has that, you know, very, I think it's, I call it a clean smell, but it's soft inside. And since it's a spice, like the Lush as well. Oop, I got a little fuzzy in there from the worms. It has that back pocket, and I always order it with both of the crisscross pockets, and I like to have that little card pocket right here. So you can, if you're using it as a wallet or taking it out, you can have those with you. So we have that. Now let's see what's in the other one. Let's open the pouch, and it is so pretty. This is the Spice Thyme. Now this I do have in the Passport size, and I loved it so much. And since I haven't been using Passport this year, I wanted to get one in the personal size, since that's kind of been my jam this year. And they all come with an extra elastic in case you need to put more inserts in. But again, I got the compact spine. I really don't need more than that. If I was to have a 6-strand elastic, I mean, I don't know what I would put in it because I don't stuff my notebooks that much. So let's see. I want to use this beautiful poppy seed. We're going to take the stuff. You can see I've been in a gray kind of mood because I have these two, and then my new Lady Falcon Travelers in kind of this blue-gray. So I've been in this gray mood, away from my browns and greens. So let's take the stuff I have in here, like minus my IDs and stuff. We'll leave those in those pockets for now. But I have 4 inserts, a folder, a zipper pouch. Oop. I've got some stickers here in the back. Oh, and I also have some, okay, everything else will get in there later. So let's start from the back of the notebook. The first thing I want to do is I want to put my dashboard. This is a Taroko Design dashboard, and if you just search Taroko Design or Taroko Shop on Etsy, you will find them. They make dashboards in all sizes, inserts in Tomoe River paper in all sizes, and some other things. But here is my Peaky Dory Design dot grid insert. Let's put that at the back. On the third elastic, I'm going to put my Farouf inspired zipper pouch. This is made out of the same material. It's a like a starched cotton. I got stencils and stickers and stuff in it. It's made to look like the Farouf one, the one that they make for Traveler's Factory. I get it from AliExpress, and the store on AliExpress is From Then On. I will link it again below because I always get asked that because it's rare to find something personal sized. But they actually have a better zipper than the actual real Midori ones. It's a nicer zipper, it's a smoother zipper, it has a prettier clasp. So there's that. Along with my DIY Fish, my April insert, since April is just a few days away. Now I have here this is a folder made out of the Craftex material that's stitched at the bottom. You can see, and it is again also from Taroko Shop. They have them in Passport, they have them in Pocket, they have them in Personal, Standard Midori, and there might be, like, I think there's 4 or 5 sizes. There might be one more. But it's Craftex, so you can actually wash it and it'll dry. It's amazing. And then this sticker, Life in the Mitten, I got from Tyrian Designs. And this is my March insert from DIY Fish. And then the last insert that I have is my monthly, month on 2 pages, DIY Fish insert. So there's that. And then I have just a bunch of miscellaneous stickers, some Odd Girl designs, some Tyrier design, some Coffee Monster, Lime and Mortar. I think these are Tyrian designs as well. So we'll put those up here. And then that's just a Project Life card. And these are Project Life cards with some, you know, post-it tabs and little mini post-its, which we'll stick in there too. So look how beautiful that is. Wow, so pretty. I was very blessed to have so many people say that I was the reason why they had found and discovered Foxy Fix. So I just wanted to share with you a quick little unboxing of these very pretty things that I got from Kelly and Jordan at Foxy Fix. And I will, as always, link Foxy Fix down below. And I'll try to link everything that I shared here, including the Lady Falcon Traveler and the Chic Sparrow. Okay, so if you have any questions, leave a comment down below, and I'll get back with you as soon as I can. Thanks so much for watching. Bye-bye.